Hi friends, Janine Pettit, brand ambassador for Go RVing and founder of Girl Camper. I'm at the campground making one of my favorite things, foil packet meal. I swear, when someone hands me a foil packet meal on a plate, I feel like I got a present. It's your own little personal package of yummy food. And it all starts with heavy-duty aluminum foil. You can't chintz out here. So I get 2 layers of the heavy-duty foil, and I've got those layered on top. I have got on here cubed ham. So at the deli, rather than get sliced ham, I got them to cut me like a 1-inch chunk of ham, and I cubed it up. Alfredo sauce, niblet corn, some sliced potatoes, because a camp meal without sliced potatoes is just mean. So I'm going to fold this up now. And when you fold it, you want to leave a little air in there. You don't want to flatten it. So you fold it back over twice. Okay? Make sure you got a nice tight seam there. And then roll up the ends 2 times. You got those going. Double. Now, the food in here, the ham, is already cooked. We're just heating this. There's nothing raw in here that we have to worry is undercooked. So I'm going to stick this on my cold little Weber grill here. But if you were putting this on a campfire, you don't put it directly on hot coals or a flame. Push those coals over, lay it on the ground, pack the coals from your campfire around it, and wait for the sizzle. You're going to hear sizzle, and you are going to smell it, and then it's done. I'm going to pop it on here. Whoop, that's nice and hot. And I'm going to get this other one off and show you how bubbly, yummy, good this is. So be careful when you're opening it because it's super steamy. So you're going to, oh, I smell it. It smells so good. Woo. All right. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my gosh. You've got your own delicious personal package of food. Campfire meal, foil packet at the campground.